Have you ever seen strange but cool tools in the science lab? Today, we're going to explore the science lab and learn about important lab tools and what they're used for. 1. Test tube. A test tube is used to hold, mix, or heat small amount of chemicals. 2. Test tube rack. The test tube rack holds test tubes upright and prevents spills. 3. Test tube holder clamp. A test tube holder is used to hold a test tube while heating it. 4. Beaker. A beaker is for mixing, stirring, and heating liquids, not for exact measurements. 5. Measuring cylinder. A measuring cylinder is used to measure liquid volume accurately. 6. Erlenmeyer Flask. An Erlenmeyer flask is used to mix or swirl liquids without spilling. 7. Volumetric flask. Volumetric flask is used to prepare a precise volume of solution. 8. Dropper, pipette dropper. Dropper, pipette dropper. Add small amounts of liquid drop by drop. 9. Pipette. A pipette is used to transfer and measure volumes of liquid. 10. Bunsen burner. A Bunsen burner is a small gas burner used for heating in labs. 11. Funnel. A funnel helps to pour liquids into containers with small openings. 12. Filter paper. Filter paper is used with funnels to separate solids from liquids. 13. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle are tools used to crush, grind, and mix solid substances into powder for experiments. 14. Glass stirring rod. A glass stirring rod is a solid glass stick used to mix or stir liquids in labs. 15. Microscope. A microscope is a tool that magnifies tiny objects, allowing us to see cells, microorganisms, or small structures not visible to the eye. 16. Petri dish. A petri dish is a shallow, round container used to grow and observe microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in lab experiments. 17. Safety goggles. Safety goggles are protective eyewear used in labs to shield eyes from chemicals, heat, or glass shards during experiments. 18. Burette. A burette is a long, graduated tube used to deliver precise volumes of liquid, especially in titrations. Awesome! Now you know important lab tools and what they are used for. Each tool helps scientists and students do safe and fun experiments.